What's in Room with Caroline?
Amazing, Tyler. So good.
On cue.
On cue. So Tyler did the room today because both Austin and I were out yesterday.
Yeah, Caroline was like, "You're doing the room.
Great work,
Enjoy
Tyler.
it."
Good work. It's beautiful.
It is
So,
beautiful.
Let's start in the corners. We've got American Beauty Berry. Look at it popping against that dark, dark wall. So this came in yesterday, and Bridget immediately sent me and Tyler both a text with a photo saying, "Look at these that we just got in. They need
You
to
got
be
to use
featured.
these in the studio.
You've got to use them." Let me get my big head out of the way. Look at those little
Zooming in.
berries. Oh.
Zooming in.
Love it.
Oh, I went right in front.
They don't call them beauty berry for nothing. They
And
are
then-
beautiful.
That's right. They are gorgeous. And it's a great native. Everybody should plant it. Everyone should have it if you have the space.
It's a good price.
There's
too.
a really nice one at the Nashville Zoo at Grassmere in their garden, in their native garden area that is massive. And then we've got Snow Queen Oak Leaf Hydrangea. So Tyler went with kind of a shady theme back here. And then under the TV, it's kind of hard to see as it blends in with the dark wall. We're back to the dark wall. We've got dark leaves. This is the Eclipse Hydrangea. Josh.
He finally got a theme that is reflective of our personalities.
Looks better than
Josh.
mine.
Shady.
Well, better than David's, which is non-existent. So mine looks great. Well, it doesn't look great right now. It's starting to go dormant, but it is getting big. I am a big, big fan. That was a birthday gift from Austin, so I love it. And then let's move to what we have in front. So we've got our ornamental mustard greens. I believe that's what that's going to be.
Outstanding.
Look how big that is. That would look gorgeous in a little mixed container or on its own. Honestly, like all the things on this table, you could put in a mixed container all together and it would look fantastic. And then we've got just a variety of coral bells of heuchera in. Tyler did a little cleanup video of his that we featured on our social media pages. He cleaned out all of those blooms. So we've got both orange and purples over here. The heuchera, I believe, is pretty stocked. Maybe we sold a lot yesterday, but now's the time to plant it. It's a great time to feature
great
heuchera in your garden.
foliar contrast.
I think
Yes,
I've got
it is.
caramel in between Austin and Caroline, and then the one
There's
next to
peach
Austin,
flambe, there's
peach flambe.
obsidian, and then there's
Yeah.
Georgia plum.
Obsidian
so there's a
is
lot
just
of
fun
great.
to say.
Yes, it is. It's a great word. We've got some pansies, of course, because we are stocked up back there with pansies, and then little ornamental peppers. Look at those, just spicing it up over here. Tyler's so spicy. And on the floor, we've got some massive mums that you can see kind of peeking up.
Kind of barely.
You can see them.
I have a mum carpet down there.
There is a
3
mum
feet.
carpet.
They're almost 3 feet across.
It makes you want to lay down on it. It looks so soft, but don't do that.
You break your mom.
Yeah.
You'll
they
break your mums and it'll be so very sad. Oh, there it is. And look at those baskets that they're in. Wow.
Cute.
You're ready to just drop it on your porch and call it fall.
Ready-made decor.
And get your pumpkins to go with it because we got those too. And then let's move to our feature plant. Tyler loves lettuce. So we are featuring a bowl of lettuce just spinning around.
The salad spinner.
The
Come
salad
on.
spinner.
I get it.
Oh, Tyler, that's fantastic. So you could have salad. Put that on your porch. You can go out there and cut some.
Drizzle it with ranch and just watch it go around.
No, just some balsamic.
It's like a chocolate fountain. just some
Salad
dressing
spinner.
and serve yourself. It's amazing.
Oh, I love it. It is gorgeous too. I mean, not only can you eat it, but you can look at it and just be like, wow, plants, they're stunning. But thank you, Tyler, for putting the room together. You did a fantastic job.
Great job,
Looks
Tyler.
great.
Bravo.
Great work,
Bravo.
Caroline.
Bravo.
Thanks
Great
for
work,
leaving
yeah.
me to it.
You're
Hey,
welcome.
one